Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri has directed relevant authorities to commence strict implementation of the state's compulsory primary and secondary education law of 2018 to ensure full compliance. Senator Diri gave the directive recently in Yenagoa during the launch of a sensitization campaign on out-of-school children organized by the Federal Ministry of Education.
During the recent launch of a sensitization campaign on the plight of out-of-school children, the Federal Ministry of Education revealed that Bayelsa State accounts for an estimated 250,000 out of over 9 million out-of-school children in Nigeria. Most of the affected children are said to be commercially exploited by their parents and guardians. Worried by this development, Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri has called for strict implementation of the state's compulsory primary and secondary education law 2018 to ensure that children's rights to basic education is protected.
This law has to be implemented across all our communities. Ministry of Information, jingles have to be produced to enlighten our citizens about the existence of this law.
Senator Diri observed that his prosperity government had maintained a policy of free education at the primary and post-primary levels introduced by his predecessor in office. Senator Diri, whose administration had invested heavily in science and technical education to promote economic self-reliance for young Bayelsans, wondered why parents and guardians were unable to take full advantage of incentives provided by the states. The governor therefore urged community leaders and traditional rulers to also take responsibility for full implementation of the compulsory primary and secondary education law in Bayelsa State.
Let me use the opportunity to call on our parents and our community leaders. Government will do its own best, but it behoves on you as a parent to ensure that you take advantage of the provisions of government. Government has provided for free primary education. Government has provided for even free secondary education. Why won't you send your child to the school? Government is even buying uniforms.
In his remarks, Minister of State for Education, Goodluck Nana Opia, commended efforts made by the prosperity government of Senator Diri in promoting basic education in Bayelsa State.
I must commend the efforts of His Excellency Senator Diri to tackle the out-of-school children phenomenon. Worthy of mention at the inauguration of the Enrollment Drive Committee that initiated impactful activities and programs which led to the state to record a huge increase in school enrollment following massive investment in the education sector.
At the recent launch of the campaign on out-of-school children, Governor Diri noted that Bayelsa State has today produced some of the most accomplished Nigerians in their fields of endeavor on account of the quality education they got in time past. The Bayelsa State Governor had also declared that under his watch, the right policies would be implemented to promote quality and affordable education in the glory of all lands.
Inside the Niger Delta,